Hi and welcome to a series of spoken English lessons. Today we have introducing yourself and others. Let us proceed to the lesson. We begin with self-introduction. The lesson 1 and task 1 will deal about how to introduce yourself in a formal setting or an informal setting. When introducing yourself, say, "Hello, I'm Amit," or "Hello, my name is Amit." "Hello, I'm Amit Bhatia." You can give your full name also. The question to which you can respond is, "What is your name?" The response will be, "Hello, I'm Amit." "Hello, my name is Amit." Or "Hello, my name is Amit Bhatia." Or you may just give your name also, Amit or Amit Bhatia. But it is best to respond in a complete sentence. "I'm Amit. My name is Amit. I'm Amit Bhatia." Note that never say "myself Amit." It's a very regular kind of expression that we hear these days. "Myself Amit." It is incorrect English. Try avoiding this kind of self-introduction. Do not say "what is your good name." This is another question that is in practice, expression I should say, that is in practice. It's a literal translation of the vernacular, that means the mother tongue, either Hindi or Hindi for sure. Yes, it is said that "what is your good name," what is Shubh Naam. Okay, that is translated into English. It is not idiomatic English at all. So try avoiding this kind of question and the kind of reply both. Let us proceed. Self-introduction, that is inquiring and responding. Inquiring, that means asking someone a question, and responding, that means giving a response. A formal expression could be "May I know your name?" It is an alternative of "What is your name?" May I know your name. Avoid saying "May I know your good name?" This is the word that is to be avoided. It is again literal translation of the vernacular. Vernacular means mother tongue. Let us proceed. Task 1. Now in this lesson, first of all, before I read the task, in this lesson we have learned how to ask a question, "What is your name?" or in a formal setting, "May I know your name?" and the response with in a complete sentence, "I'm Amit. My name is Amit." Or you can give your full name. "I'm Amit Bhatia. My name is Amit Bhatia." Alright. Now, and then we have learned what to avoid. We should avoid literal translation of the vernacular. That means "what is your good name?" or "myself Amit." We should avoid that. And "may I know your good name?" We should avoid that also. Now let us read the task. The situation is that you are at a formal party. Now remember, formal party, for that I have taught "may I." Introduce yourself and ask for a person's name. That means you have met someone at the gathering and you are asking that person his or her name, and at the same time you are introducing yourself. That means sharing your name. Now let us see the sample conversation that we have for our guidance. For sample conversation, we have, suppose the speaker is Tarannu, and another is Ms. Humaira, and let us see what conversation is in progress. "Good evening. I'm Miss Tarannu. May I know your name?" "I'm Mrs. Sufyan. How do you do?" "Miss Tarannu, how do you do? Pleased to meet you." Now please make a note that the speaker I have mentioned over here as Miss Humaira, I have used her first name. But when she introduced herself, she used her title, that she's married, and she used her husband's name. This should be noted how a person prefers being addressed. And how do you do? I have taught this in your previous set of lessons. It's in Old English. It is used only when you are introduced to someone for the first time. It is never used interchangeably with how are you. It is, and the response to this is again, how do you do? You can see that how do you do responded with how do you do and pleased to meet you. It is to be noted that one person preferred being addressed with the first name. You can see that she has used her first name, and the other person preferred being addressed by her surname. We will learn about these surname, first name, middle name little later in our set of lessons. This is an important point which should be noted for formal conversations. Let me take you through it once more. Good evening. I'm Mr. Anu. May I know your name? I'm Mrs. Sufyan. How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. This is just the beginning of the conversation. I have not continued with the conversation. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification of the videos that I upload in this series. Thank you.